news coming in. US President Trump speaks with Ukrainian counterpart Zelensky and European leaders after his meeting with Putin in Alaska. And as per the spokesperson, Trump spoke for more than an hour with Zelensky. British Prime Minister Keir Starmer, French President Emmanuel Macron, German Chancellor, as well NATO Secretary General Mark Rutte, and European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen. So, viewers, what we see is that Donald Trump has dialed Zelensky and the NATO leaders after that meeting. I repeat, after that meeting that he had with Putin, and it was what he says were productive talks. Now, US President said that Putin and him were holding a very, very productive and mutually respectful high-stakes summit in Alaska. Two leaders sought a way to bring the Ukraine conflict to a close. President Trump made it clear that there is no deal until there is a deal, indicating the absence of any proper resolution during the meeting, while President Putin described the talks as thorough and useful. In the latest coming in, we see that the EU spokesperson has said that Trump has briefed the EU leaders now. And it's a big possibility that the next meeting would be in Moscow, like Putin had suggested. So back-to-back updates coming here, viewers, on Republic TV. Just after the meeting between President Trump and Russian President Putin. Let's go straight across to my colleague who's joining us right now. We have with us Akansha. Akansha, you know, this is a huge update coming in because Trump had said during that meeting with Putin that yes, he will make a call to Zelensky, he will talk to European leaders as well. If you could just take our viewers through latest coming in.
Well, absolutely. Remember, after this high-stakes meeting with Russian President, Donald Trump had said that now the onus is on Zelensky, who's the Ukrainian president. And just a while back, in fact, he spoke to Zelensky as well as the European leaders. And now Zelensky has put in fact, a post on social media in which he has said that on Monday, I will meet with President Donald Trump in Washington, D.C. to discuss all the details regarding ending the killing and war. I'm grateful for this invitation. And he has put a detailed post on social media. Let me take you through what he has said. He has said, we had a long and substantive conversation with US President Donald Trump. We started with one-on-one talks before inviting European leaders to join us. And this call lasted for more than 1 hour. And in fact, including about half an hour of our bilateral conversation with Donald Trump. That means he had a one-on-one conversation with US President Donald Trump for half an hour. Ukraine reaffirms its readiness to work with maximum efforts to achieve the peace. President Donald Trump informed about his meeting with Russian leader and the main points of their discussion. It is important that America's strength has an impact on the development of the situation. We support President Donald Trump's proposal for a trilateral meeting between Ukraine, USA and Russia. And this is another point, very important point, Shivang, that has come to the fore, that he's ready for a three-way meeting between him, the US President Donald Trump and the Russian President. And he also went on to say that the Ukraine emphasizes that the key issues can be discussed at the level of the leaders and a trilateral format is suitable for this. Very importantly, he has said that on Monday, I will meet with President Donald Trump in Washington, D.C. to discuss all the details regarding ending the killing and the war. I'm grateful for this invitation. So it seems that Donald Trump, after meeting with Russian President, now has invited Zelensky for an important meeting on Monday. He has also said that it is important that Europeans are involved at every stage to ensure reliable security guarantee together with...
And viewers, getting you some more breaking up is coming in. Akansha, hold on. Oh, big update. Zelensky says we'll meet Trump in Washington, D.C. I repeat, Zelensky says we'll meet Trump in Washington, D.C. This is huge coming in, viewers, because remember that that Trump and Zelensky have had meetings earlier. And not just that, Trump has also dialed Zelensky after the meeting with Putin. This is a huge and a big update coming in right now, viewers on Republic TV. We're getting some more updates where we see that Volodymyr Zelensky has said that we had a long and substantive conversation with Trump. We started with one-on-one talks before inviting European leaders to join us. This call lasted for more than an hour and a half, including about an hour of our bilateral conversation with President Trump. Huge update coming in right now, viewers on Republic TV. And we have with us a guest joining us.